Hello and welcome everybody to this Hebrew lesson. In this Hebrew lesson we're going to discuss the subjunctive mood in Hebrew. This is all of the cases that we're saying something hypothetically. For example, I would do that if I could do that. So in Hebrew we have a very clear grammatical structure to doing it. So when we want to use subjunctive mood in Hebrew, we will use the verb liyot and conjugate it according to the respective pronoun that is the subject. So for example, if I'm saying something, I would, ani haiti. It's not only I have been or I was, it's also I would, ani haiti. And the next verb will be conjugated in present tense respectively to the gender and the number of the subject. Therefore, because I'm a male, I will say ani haiti ose, which means I would do. And in Hebrew, for your general knowledge, present tense verbs is poal zman hove. Let's see a few examples. I would want, haiti רוצה. I would want, haiti רוצה. So what we can see here that we conjugated the verb להיות according to the subject, which is אני, רוצה for male, רוצה for female. אני הייתי רוצה as a man, אני הייתי רוצה as a woman. Let's see a few more examples. I could, הייתי יכול. I could, הייתי יכולה. I would eat, הייתי אוכל. I would eat, הייתי אוכלת. I would buy, הייתי קונה. I would buy, הייתי קונה. So, if you don't remember how to conjugate the verb להיות in past tense, let's conjugate it together. אני הייתי, אתה היית, את היית, הוא היה, היא הייתה, אנחנו היינו, אתם הייתם, אתן הייתן, הם היו, הן היו. Would you want to visit Israel? היית רוצה לבקר בישראל? I would want to visit Israel. הייתי רוצה לבקר בישראל. Would you want to work there? היית רוצה לעבוד שם? No, I wouldn't want to work there. לא הייתי רוצה לעבוד שם. Would you want to live in Europe? היית רוצה לגור באירופה? Yes, I would want to live in Europe. כן, הייתי רוצה לגור באירופה. Would you want to learn French? היית רוצה ללמוד צרפתית? Yes, I would want to learn French. כן, הייתי רוצה ללמוד צרפתית. אבי would want to buy that business? אבי היה רוצה לקנות את העסק הזה? I think that Avi would not want to buy that business. אני חושב שאבי לא היה רוצה לקנות את העסק הזה. Would Sivan want to learn Swedish? סיוון הייתה רוצה ללמוד שוודית. No, סיוון would want to learn French. לא, סיוון הייתה רוצה ללמוד צרפתית. Would you want to go to a restaurant? הייתם רוצים ללכת למסעדה? Yes, we would want to go to an Italian restaurant. כן, היינו רוצים ללכת למסעדה איטלקית. Would you want to find a good job? הייתן רוצות למצוא עבודה טובה? Yes, we would want to find a good job. כן, היינו רוצות למצוא עבודה טובה. Would Yossi and Michal want to travel to Canada? יוסי ומיכל היו רוצים לנסוע לקנדה? Yes, they would want to travel to Canada. כן, הם היו רוצים לנסוע לקנדה. Would Sivan and Sapir want to visit Japan? סיוון וספיר היו רוצות לבקר ביפן? No, they would not want to visit Japan. לא, הן לא היו רוצות לבקר ביפן. Thank you so much for your attention, guys, and I hope that you liked this video. If you did, leave a like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. And if you have any questions, post them in the comments below. And in the next lesson, we're going to discuss how to say if I would, I would. So I'll see you in the next lesson.